everyone, welcome to the DEK Designs Mystery Kit loop. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out how I used the June Mystery Kit in my planner. After watching my video, make sure to check out the link below in my description for the next person who is in our loop, so you can see how other people in the loop have used their Mystery Kit. And Mystery Kit subscription spots are now open, so make sure to click the link below as well if you want to sign up for July's Mystery Kit. If you want to check out our past loops or past Mystery Kits, we do have a playlist on our YouTube channel, and I will have a card on this video too, so you can click to it. My Mystery Kit spread today, I'm going to be using my Work Plus Life Happy Planner, and I really love this planner because it's vertical and it's hardbound, so nice and sturdy. And then here's the June Mystery Kit. I'm so excited to show you all the beautiful stickers on here. The foil for June's Mystery Kit is gold, and here's the bonus. It's a clear glossy foil sticker quarter sheet, and it has some like accents that match very well with the sticker kit. They're like good overlays. And then we have this as well because we made an oopsie in the kit with our bows, and so we gave you some extras. I'll kind of show you as I go through it. But here's the full boxes. It's so feminine and light and summery. It's a summer paradise. So gorgeous. Next sheet we have the washi and the Monday through Sunday, and the 2 extra full boxes, heart date dots, weekend script. And then there are those bows where the oopsies that we don't have that white line inside of it. That's why we made extra for you. Then we have the checklist boxes, the functional boxes, the to-dos, headers and glitter headers, the fashion girl boxes and icons, and then the deco sheet. That's just gorgeous. And so this is all that comes with the Mystery Kit. The monthly Mystery Kit subscription is $16, so you do get well worth your money's worth. And if you also want to check out our reviews of the Mystery Kit, you can look on our listing on our website that I put below for the link to see what other people have said about it. So now I'm going to fast forward my process of setting up my spread. And at the end, I'll show you the final product of my spread. And then here's my final spread with the June Mystery Kit. It is just so shiny and it makes me want to go to the beach. I love it. It's just bringing a little bit of summer to my plans since I can't be at the beach, I guess. So again, make sure to go below in my description and click the link for the next video in the loop to see how our other ambassadors used our mystery kit. It's very interesting to see like the different ideas that people have for designs. Remember too that we have spots open as well for our July mystery kit today. So click the link below as well to go to our website to check out the reviews for our mystery kit subscription and to see more details about what it's all about. And don't miss out for July's mystery kit. Thank you so much for stopping by for the loop. I appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our different spreads and kits and what's going on with the shop. I'll see you all again next time. Bye, everyone.